going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Right here is a 2020 Honda Civic 2020. Show you guys how to take off this fender. In order to get off this fender, you have to take off the headlamp first and the bumper. The removal of the headlamp, I will link that with this video. However, the removal of the bumper, that will be on my separate channel. That link is in the box below. So if you guys want to see me take off that bumper, go ahead and click that link in the bottom, and that link will take you to the my channel with me showing you how to take off that bumper. With that said, let's get to it. I will show you guys the points first on how to take off this bumper. I mean this fender. Then I will show you guys the work. Let's take a peek. Okay, guys, these are the points on how to take off this headlamp. See the screw? That is a 10mm. Take that one from there. Take that screw from there. Over here on the side, guys, go ahead and take that screw from there. That's 3. That's 1, 2, 3. Go down here in the bottom. Take that one from there. Over there, right, straight ahead down there is the next one down there. Gonna take that one from there as well. Those are the 4 screws. Take the 4 screws out of there and slide it like right there. You guys stay tuned and watch the work. Guys, go ahead and unplug the wires. It comes right out. Okay, comes right out. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to take out this fender. But the process will be on my next channel. I got 2 channels. It'll be on my next channel. The link will be in the box. See you guys later. Here we go, guys. First thing first, take that screw from there. That is a 10mm. There's another one right there, 10mm. Over here, I'm gonna push this piece back. You guys see that screw right there? There's a 10mm. Take that screw from there. Then we're gonna come down here. We're gonna come down here. There's a screw right there. You guys see that screw right there? Same thing, 10mm. Take that screw from there as well. Over here now, I want you guys to go ahead, take them 2 screws out of there. We're gonna get that piece off of there. Take that screw from there, that one. There's a next screw over there in the corner of it. There's a clip in the bottom of it. Clip. Go ahead and take that clip and get this piece off of there. There's some clip that goes around this thing. Go ahead and get those clips off of there. And guys, listen. This piece right here, this rocker. This rocker has some clips in it. What is this? This rocker has some clips in it that's holding to the fender. We got to get this rocker off. You don't have to take off the whole complete thing. Just partial, take it off because there's a screw there that is holding it. Okay. So Guys, see that clip right there? You're gonna take that clip over there, and the side of it has some white clips. You're gonna hold it and just snatch it out of there, and then you're gonna see the screw. You're gonna see the screw that's behind this thing that's holding the fender. I will show you guys that once I get to that point. As for up here now, guys, see that 10 screw right there? We're gonna take that 10 screw from there. Another one right there hidden. Once you guys take out all those screws, that should clear the fender to be taken off the car. Guys, we're gonna set that piece out of the way, that black piece. Be careful you don't break that glass. Be careful. This is a 10 that I use to take the piece out of there. This is a 10, okay? Now we're going to do the side section down there. Right there, guys. One of them. Go ahead, take out the fender. Guys, come right off. Okay, guys. Remember, when you guys replace this fender, you see this piece right here, guys. As you can see, it's rivet on there. Those are rivet. That means this piece do not come with the fender. You have to buy this piece separate. This piece right here. It's the same thing in the bottom down here. You see, it have two things right there, two rivets. This piece right here do not come with a fender. So if you guys go to replace this fender and this piece is crushed, gotta buy that piece as well. Same thing for up here, gotta buy that piece as well. Alright? That said, so thank you guys for tuning in. I will catch you guys on the next video.